Hello traders, welcome to Gone Traders Hub channel. Let's start our stock analysis for tomorrow, 9th of March 2021. Today Nifty not moved as expected. It just moved 180 to 90 points and came down. It was a highly volatile day and it is just closed near to the midpoint 15,006.5 level. Today it taken the resistance at 15,129 and it came down. Okay, let's see for tomorrow. Nifty, what we can expect tomorrow above 15,072. We can see the first target of 15,129. If it is closing above this, then we can see a target of 15,252 and 15,376. Today Dow Jones giving a wonderful rally, so we may expect there is a good move tomorrow in Nifty also. Okay, if it is not going up and it is breaking the lower side 14,927, then we can see the immediate target of 14,884. If it is breaking the low of 14,861, then we can see the target of 14,762 and maybe 14,641 level. Okay, I am not expecting any big downside move until 21st of March. We may see any downside move maybe after that. It's my opinion, but let's see in the market. Okay, let's move to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty tomorrow above 35,613. We can see the target of 35,721 and 35,880 and 36,100 level. If it is breaking the lower side 3500, we can see the target of 34,969 and there's a trend line. We can see the target of 34,800 and also 34,596 level. Above 3600, we can, the next target is 36,481 for Bank Nifty. So all the bank stocks are looks very good. So we may see very good move tomorrow in the Bank Nifty, especially in the government sector bank and Axis Bank and ICICI Bank. It's my watch list. Okay, let's move to the stocks. I did not taken all the bank stocks. Just I taken only Axis Bank for the banking sector. So you can see all the banking stocks for tomorrow, but I can't give all the levels because it will take too much of time. That's what I did not given. So I choose an Axis Bank, Chola Finance, L&T, MFSL, Voltas for the long side, Hindalco for the short side, and Havels in the trend line. We may see either side move. So I will give the level so that you can trade accordingly. Let's move to Axis Bank. Let's start with the Axis Bank. Axis Bank, what we can expect tomorrow? Above 750, we can see the target of 756, and if it is sustained above, we can see 770 and 784 level for Axis Bank. Chola tomorrow above 539.3, we can see the target of 545 and 552. Since this stock is closed above the square number, today it taken the support from the square number and also closed above the reference price. So you can see the target until here. Okay, L&T today it given a wonderful rally and it had taken the resistance with the square number 1521. So and it is consolidating just near to the square number. We can see above 1525. We can see the good move in this stock for the target of 1540, 1560, and if it is sustained above, we can see until 1600 level for L&T. MFSL hourly chart also it looks good. It is closed above the, today taken the support and with the square number 900 and a resistance to the midpoint, and also it is closed above the reference price 911.15. So what we can expect tomorrow above 918.5, we can see the target of 930. If it is sustained above this, we may see 940 level. Since this stock is consolidating long time in this zone, if any breakout comes, we can expect a very big move in this stock. This stock is moving after a very long time. It has started moving, and we can see very big targets also. You can keep watch the stock for the good targets. Then Voltas above 1058, just above the swing above the midpoint 1056.5. so what we can expect above 1058, we can see the target of 1070, 1089. And next is Hindalco. It is just closed below the, today taken the resistance from the midpoint 342.5, and it's closed below the reference price 337.9. so my expectation is tomorrow below this level, below 334.7, we can see the first target is 333.15. if it is closed below for 5 minutes, we can see the target up to 328 and 324 level. Since all the commodities are looks weak, so maybe this may come down based on the commodity price movement. So next is Havells in the hourly chart. It is just stopped with the trend line. Today actually Friday taken a support, and today the first candle given a very big move, and it did not broken the high and it came down. It is again taken the support and moved up in the last hour candle, and last 15 minutes is just closed below it. So what we can expect, we can move to the 5 minutes, so that either side breakout we can go with the trade. So we can go long once it is breaking this swing 1123.7. if it is breaking, we can see the target of 1134 and 1150 level. If Havells breaking the lower side 1109 for 5 minutes, we can see the target of 1110, 1089 level for Havells. That's all, friends. This is all for today, and you can, for the banking sector, in my I can give Canara Bank and Bank Baroda from our watch list. Since Bank Baroda taken a support with the square number 81, you can check the chart and you can trade accordingly. Thanks for watching. If you like my video and it is useful for your trading, please like, subscribe and share your friends. If you made profit, please comment on the comment section. Thank you. Thanks for your time. Bye.